Good morning students, welcome to SST class. In this video, we will learn about power resources. Power resources means resources which provides us electricity or energy which is used in various purposes. Let us learn about types of power resources. Power resources are of two types. They are conventional resources and non-conventional sources. Conventional sources are those which have been in common use for a long time, like firewood and fossil fuels. These are the two main conventional energy sources. Let us learn about firewood. Firewood is widely used for cooking and heating. In our country, more than 50% of the energy used by villagers comes from firewood. Fossil fuels, remains of plants and animals which are buried under the earth for millions of years, got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the main sources of conventional energy. Let us learn about coal. Coal is most abundantly found. It is the most important mineral. It is used in generating the thermal power and also as domestic fuel in iron and steel industry and in steam engines. Coal, which we are used today, was formed millions of years ago. They are the transformed remains of giant ferns and swamps that were buried under the layers of the earth. The leading producers of coal in the world are China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa and France. And in India, coal is found in Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Maharashtra. Petroleum. Petroleum is found as crude oil trapped in between layers of sedimentary rock. It is black. It is drilled from onshore and offshore oil fields. Crude oil is sent to refineries where it is processed and many byproducts are produced like fertilizers, synthetic fibers and synthetic rubber, petroleum jelly, lubricants and wax. Petroleum is also called black gold or liquid gold because it is highly valuable. The world producer of petroleum are Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia and Qatar. USA, Russia, Venezuela and Algeria are also major petroleum producers. In India, petroleum is found in Digboi in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the deltas of the Krishna and Godavari river. Natural gas. Natural gas is found along with petroleum deposits. The gas is released when crude oil is drilled and brought out to the earth's surface. Natural gas can be used as domestic and industrial fuel. Natural gas is found in India at Krishna Godavari Delta, in Tripura, Jaisalmer and in Khandla in Gujarat and Mumbai in Maharashtra. Hydel power. Hydel power means hydroelectricity. Rainwater or river water is stored in dams made to fall from height. The falling water flows through pipes inside the dam over turbines blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity. This is called hydroelectricity. The leading producers of hydel power in the world are Paraguay, Norway, Brazil and China. And In India, hydel power is produced at Bhakra Nangal, Gandhi Sagar Dam, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and Damodar Valley projects. Now let us learn about non-conventional sources of energy. Solar energy. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. These cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purposes. Wind energy. Wind is an inexhaustible source of energy. Windmills have been used for grinding grains and lifting water from ancient times. In modern times, windmills, the high speed winds rotate the windmill which is connected to a generator to produce electricity. Windmills are located in coastal regions and in mountain passes. Windmills are found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, USA and Spain. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is obtained from energy stored in the nuclei of atoms of naturally occurring radioactive elements like uranium and thorium. The greatest producers of nuclear power are USA and Europe. In India, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have large deposits of uranium. Thorium is found in Kerala. And the nuclear power stations in India are Kalpakkam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Rana Pratap Sagar in Kota, Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Kaiga in Karnataka. Geothermal energy. Heat energy obtained from the earth is called geothermal energy. Energy which comes on the surface itself in the form of hot springs. This heat energy can be used to generate power. Geothermal energy is in the form of hot springs, has been used for cooking, heating and bathing. USA has the world's largest geothermal power plants. New Zealand, islands, Philippines and Central America also have geothermal energy plants. In India, Manikaran in Himachal Pradesh and Fuga Valley in Ladakh, geothermal power stations are located. Tidal energy. Energy generated from tides is called tidal energy. Tidal energy can be harnessed by building dams at narrow openings of the sea. During high tides, the energy of the tide is used to turn the turbine installed in the dam to produce electricity. Russia, France and the Gulf of Kutch in India have huge tide mills forms. Biogas. Biogas means organic waste like dead plants and animal material, animal dung and kitchen waste can be converted into a gaseous fuel called biogas. Energy is everywhere, but we can see that harnessing this energy is difficult and costly. Each one of us can make a difference by not wasting energy. Energy saved is energy generated. Thank you.